Stop throwing away your potato peels. Try this instead, and you'll be glad you did. First, grab a clean container and collect some fresh potato peels. Use scissors to cut the peels into small, manageable pieces right into the container. They don't need to be perfect, just easy to handle. Next, move the pieces into a small saucepan and pour in 1 cup of water, just enough to cover them. Place the pan over medium heat and let the mixture simmer until it comes to a gentle boil, about 5 minutes. When it's done, carefully take the pan off the heat, set a strainer over another container and slowly pour the hot mixture through it, separating the liquid from the potato bits. You won't need the solid pieces for this step, so set them aside or compost them. Allow the liquid to cool completely until it reaches room temperature, then pour it into any bottle or container you like. And that's it. Your natural plant booster is ready. This simple potato peel solution works as both a gentle fertilizer and a natural pest repellent. Rich in potassium and other nutrients, it feeds your plants, strengthens their growth, and keeps unwanted bugs away, turning kitchen scraps into garden gold.